Yeah, I got. Hello, it's today, that date, 24, what's it say? Yeah, 24 August 2019, Saturday. Gonna go live on Facebook with this. Okay, so here we go. Hit the button. Going live, putting it down. Okay. Alright, so now we're live. Okay. Hello, it's today. It's that time of day right there. And put this. I'm up here. Okay. Put this down here on the floor with the box. Alright, here, let's just. I don't know. Let's put the phone down. Okay, so. And hello peoples. Okay, so we got that going on there. Alright, so that's on a tripod. Let's just there's that camera. There's that. There's some wires. This is just, that like that, like that. I moved some things around, you may have noticed. I don't know. Okay, so but the bottom line is I need to make some room for this thing here, so here, let me move this camera around to just, I got all this stuff here, been moving stuff around in this room. I still got more stuff to move around, but the bottom line is I got this really big box that I bought. I can't remember now. I should have remembered, but I should have wrote it all down. But here it is. So just that both two. Okay, that's on it. That's on it. So I'm going to move this one here over just a bit so I can be on this side. Alright, so here, let me just go to it. Okay, so let's see, I can see in that camera. Alright, so here, now this look like that, look like this. Never been opened, okay. And it's kind of floppy inside. There's the opening, okay, so, alright, so now just, and I got, cassette tape, alright. I got another one here, okay. So, just, alright, so now just, kind of stuff like that. So we'll just screw it in here. Alright, that's how it got here. Alright, so see that? Just kind of, there it is. That was like just running really just a whole lot of this stuff and nothing else. So now this stuff. Okay, so let's just get this out of here, out of the way. Alright, so just get me over here. So there it is. So does it do they look similar? Well, you can't see that. Let's see, we move this camera here. Alright, so there we go. Great, so does these look similar? This one's got that cover, that cover, that cover. This one's got that cover, but this one's missing those three, and this one's missing that one. So this one has the fine-tuning knob. This one does not. Okay, so looks like someone put, I don't know what they put here, but there it is. Okay, so let's plug it in, plug it in, plug it in. Sorry. So this is, by the way, this is complete. It's got the all that there, here. There's the world voltage. There's the end. See here. So it says on here. Here, I'll let you see this. Okay. All right, so. I'll let you see it if you can see it up close. can see that or not, but it says, what does it say? It says 5/25/2015, which means this is like 4 years old. Vintage Sanyo M-X650k portable 4-band radio, stereo boombox, parts / repair. Okay, so much for that. Let's, once it turned on, it's on that radio, tape off, put it in stereo, set the bass at flat, treble at flat, that, turn the volume down, okay, put it on FM, okay, let's plug it in, alright, so there it is, plugged in, and then, did you hear that rattle? So we turn on, got power, some volume. Let me turn this off. Nothing. Oh boy. Hey people, I'm live on. Doing something, but does this do anything? Well, that opens, yay. So does it play? It's playing. Wow. Let's hit stop. Does it rewind? Wait, that was, well, okay, let's hit stop. Let's put in a visual aid, alright, and just see what this thing really does. Okay, so here's a visual aid. Can you see that? Let's see here. Yeah, I can see my hand in the center, so if we hit rewind, hey, it rewinds, look at that. Does it fast forward? Fast forwards. Stop. Does it play? It plays, but I don't think there's anything on this tape, so let me hit stop. Okay. Eject. Let me get some music. So here's some music. And then put it on tape. Hit play. It's got some horrible bass note, like sounds like a bad ground, but it does play. It does play almost. Well, I don't know. I have to investigate it further, but the radio doesn't work. There's the radio. It comes on. It's line in. It's clicking, but who knows? Don't know why it doesn't do what it's supposed to do, but for what it's worth, aside from, here, let me have my tape out of here so I don't forget it. Alright, there's that one. Let's just plug in this other one here I've got and see what it does. So, this one, the tape deck doesn't do anything and you can't open the door. There's a radio come on. Let's see here. Put it on FM, put it on.
I would come home with the intention to spend time with my wife, and we'd spend time together, and then be like, cool, it's smoke o'clock, I'm gonna go outside. And I walk outside, I'd sit down by the
That's
garage,
not the original knob.
there'd be in this cloud
So,
of smoke.
Yeah, there's a picture
that
of you
is,
smoking
so.
at the altar waiting for me.
No, there's definitely no picture of me.
Well, you can clearly
That
see
works.
that he's glowing.
I don't remember that.
Alright.
This is like puff, puff. Yeah, I'm good.
Well, that's all I know. Alright, well,
That's my day.
got the two of them here.
It's in our relationship.
But we
There
get
you
to
go.
have time together that I didn't realize I was missing.
Fine. So, here's this one. It's got the battery back. That's what I'm interested in, right? Okay, and here's the other one as well. Have the battery back, so they both look like this. I don't know what more I can show you. It's just unpackaged this one. I've had this one a while, but that's all I know. Alright, so just gonna set this down. And this one's missing the antenna, but this one has a complete antenna all the way to the tip. Alright, so who knows? Alright, I just wanted to make that happy little video. Let me take the cell phone off the thing. Alright, so take the cell phone off the thing. Right. I don't know how many minutes, but okay. Alright. So here we are. Wait. We used the bigger camera. It's at 18 minutes already. Is that right? Oh God. Wish I'd used this camera instead of that camera, but oh well. No, that's 11 minutes. Okay, well. Alright, so just. Okay, alright, so now. Alright, so. Here. Alright, so now just. Okay, well. Well, that's only 11 minutes. Well, that's good. Okay, so. Again, this one here has got, it's missing that one, missing that, needs an antenna, okay? And then this one here has got a complete antenna. It's got that knob, but missing those three, okay? And I'm confused already. One of these, the tape deck works. That one, the tape deck works. This one don't. But this one, the radio don't work. This one, the radio does work. Are you confused yet? Alright, and I had to get out these other things to get to that. Alright, and just, I got all this stuff here to play with. Fix, repair, and sell. I am selling both of these. I don't want either one. I already know that. I bought them to compare them against the Iowas that have the, not these models, but the ones in the bedroom. But I hadn't enough time to get them out and show them because they have cassette deck off to the one side. If you're familiar with the Iowa CF or CS, whatever the heck it is. Okay, so good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta run. Maybe upload this tonight. Thanks, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed watching. Gotta go. Good night. Bye-bye.